people are suffering from cough, phlegm. Some people get some kind of inflammation throat. So we have a very good and simple medicine. You can see pepper 50 gram, jaggery 50 gram, 25 gram. Powder the pepper, powder the jaggery, and grind it with ghee on a grinding stone. Make it like butter form. Then take the size of a grape and dry it. After drying, take one tablet, grind it with little tulsi leaf juice, and take 3 times per day.